Right, welcome back to another video, Lair Dwellers. As you can see before me, I have another Nightmare bundle, so that makes number 3. So we're getting stuck into it here, right, in the search for all of these cards and posters and whatever else I'm trying to search for. Now, I've already told you my mission. I want to try and get every single card I possibly can. So, actually, I think that background music might be a little bit loud. So, 1 second, I'll be right back. All right, that's a bit better. So, as I said, there's 6 of the big posters that we're going to try and find. I think from last thing there was either 3 or 6 of those special holo cards. And either 3 or 6 of the other ones. So, alright, let's see how we get on with these posters, eh? Hopefully, being my 3rd one. Okay, no, that's the same. That's the same. Oh no, one of those might be different. No, they're all the same as well, so I'm not even going to unfold those ones. I can see that is going to get quite annoying. So there's only 3 more to collect, and that's the other 3. So, oh well, let's see how we get on with these, eh? Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get these out, go over to the side. I'm not going to open one of those. I'm going to put one of these play boosters away for the stuff that I am going to keep unopened. And we will open the rest. Alright, so let's dig into 5 play boosters. It's kind of covering up that light. Oh well, let's get into it. Play booster number 1. Just going to throw that off to the side. Alright, so we'll go quickly through these because you guys sort of already know. Oop, there's 4 back there, so. Alright, so the first one is Cracked Skull. Say its name, Piranha Fly, Unsettling Twins, Rampaging Soul Rager, Anthropede, ooh, Phantasmal Image, so put that one aside, Live or Die, House Cartographer, Oblivious Bookworm, Cursed Windbreaker, Roaring Furnace and Steaming Sauna, an island card, a hollow spirogenic infection, which I don't think I have, so I'll put that aside as well. Oh, that's a good sign for the first pack. I'm liking that. So already 2 cards to add to the collection. The pack off to the side, and we start this time with a common Derelict Addict Widow's Walk, Manifest Dread, Stalked Researcher, Friendly Ghost, Impossible Inferno, Cackling Slasher, Clockwork Percussionist, Cynical Loner, Fear of Infinity, Greenhouse Rickety Gazebo, Miasma Demon, Velgorous Onslaught, Raucous Carnival Foil, Doomsday Excruciator Foil, which I definitely don't have. And put those over to the side. So far so good. So remember to share the channel out there with all your friends. Could be like scapegoat and say your mum too, but she's probably not into this, so. Alright, let's move on. So we have Friendly Teddy, Spectral Snatcher, Flesh Borrower, Unable to Scream, Fear of Immobility, Give In to Violence, Bedside Beastie, Threats Around Every Corner, Shroud Stomper, Veteran Survivor, Piggy Bank, Enduring Tenacity, Neglected Manor, Twist Reality foil, and a Marina full art card, which I don't know if I've got that one. I don't think so. So we'll put that aside as well. Right, 2 packs to go. When it comes to these play boosters, so as I said, the next one I'll put away will be a collector's booster, but it won't be from this lot. Alright, cracking into it. Let's go. Hardened Escort, Vicious Clown, Final Vengeance, Slavering Branch Snapper, Underwater Tunnel and Slimy Aquarium room cards. Going into Clockwork Percussionist. Oh, and I don't have that card either. So that's a Mythic. Soul Warden. Alright, so Veteran Survivor, Valgarous Faithful, which I don't have that card either. Or at least I don't think so. So I'll check. Alright, so Disturbing Mirth, Haunted Screen, Leyline of Hope. Don't think I've got that, so I have to check that. A foil card, Fear of Surveillance foil, and Bedhead Beastie art series card. Nice, I don't have that one. So I think that brings my total of those to 30? 32 if you count the gold signature cards. I've got a couple of those as well. So I'm not sure how many of those there are though, so. Alright. I haven't seen this card in a while. Woo! No, sorry. Grab the Prize. Derelict Attic and Widow's Walk. Manifest Dread. Stalked Researcher. Friendly Ghost. Bear Trap. Beastie Beatdown. Don't think I've got that. Razorkin Horde Caller. Keys to the House. Flood Pits Drowner. Legendary Artifact Creature. Marvin the Murderous Mimic, which I know I've got. Razor Trap Gorge. Saw Foil, which I don't have. So that's good. Alright. So now we'll open one of these collector boosters, then we'll open that little beastie right there, the Nightmare Bundle Special Pack, and then we'll open the other. So I've got to try and open one of these still, because I haven't managed to really get one intact, so all you people out there will be going, but it's so easy! Yeah, okay. If you're in the Blenheim area and you feel like the challenge of coming and opening one, I'm going to have more than enough. So, feel free. See? All the time. Ooh, I know what this is. I was talking about the song, sorry, and the band. Any of you guys out there know what it is? I'm not going to tell you who it is. If you know who it is, put it in the comments. See how good your kind of alternative metal knowledge is. As you notice, that's going to be a theme in all the songs that you listen to, because that's what I am. I'm actually an old school metalhead, so. But I don't listen to much of that old school stuff anymore. Alright, first collector one, and actually, see, look, I actually did it well, so I can put that up and go away. Right. Fear of the Dark foil, Clockwork Percussionist, Murky Sewer, Turn Inside Out, Final Vengeance, Attack in the Box, Surgical Suite and Hospital Room, Overgrown Zealot, Nowhere to Run, Forest, Enduring Innocence. That's pretty cool, don't think I've got that one. Ooh, Demonic Covenant. Sweet. Enduring Vitality. Central Elevator and Promising Stairs. The Roller Crusher Ride. Nice. And then into a spirit glimmer token. So I'm going to put those over there because I'll check those. Alright, let's crack into this little beastie. So hoping for something different than the 4 cards that I've already got. But we will see, eh? Let's go. 2 cards. Let's open. Oh, open. Oh, finger cramp. Right, we'll do the bottom one first, eh? Exhume. And 2. Sweet, I already have that one. Nice. That's very cool. So of course I'm going to put protectors on all of these cards over here. Out of my protector box, which has actually got lots of other goodies in it as well, like there's Dragon Ball Z cards in there, Pokemon cards. Protectors, unopened packs and stuff like that as well, so... Alright, crack into the last one for you guys. Alright, wish me luck, I'm going to have to do the ritual. Touch wood. Give it a bit of a kiss. Mwah. And then, mwah. For you guys. Right, let's do it. Once again, if you feel like saying hello, do comment. Remember to share the channel around, like the videos, subscribe with all notifications. But as you can probably see that I've been putting up at least 1 video a day. So, sometimes more. If we can get the channel rolling a bit and stuff and get it going, then I can do a lot more. But we'll just see how it goes. At the moment I'm sucking in all the costs, so I choose to, and I choose to bring you guys with me. So, alright, let's go. Tunnel Surveyor, give in to violence. Friendly Teddy, grab the prize. Slavering Branch Snapper. Wildfire Wickerfolk. Optimistic Scavenger. Break down the door. Coordinated Clobbering. That's cool. A mountain card. Enduring Curiosity. Star Athlete. Come back wrong. Definitely don't have that one. Wow, that's pretty out of it. What's that? Dissection Tools. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Chat, do you realize what this is? Oh my god, Japanese showcase ad. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Do you realise it's only 0.9% chance to pull one of these? Oh my god, so not even 1% chance. And this is my 8th collector one, and oh my god, chat, we did it, we did it, we did it. Oh my god, wicked. Those kiss worked, and the kiss from you guys, and touching wood, and everything like that. Ah, this makes it worth it. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm gonna have to sleeve that right now, chat. Oh my god. That, chat, is one of the kaboom moments. Haboom. Haha, wobby. Whew, wow. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I was going to post this video up tomorrow. Right, since I was a bit excited there, here is a shout out to Tabletop Cafe. This is where I got it from. Jake said he had the luck, and buddy, you do. I'm so sorry I forgot to mention you with all my excitement there. So get on down to Tabletop Cafe, 4 Scott Street, Blenheim, and they will certainly help you out. I mean, wow, I just can't believe that. Thank you again. Thank you again so much, guys, down there at Tabletop Cafe. Jake, especially, man, you said you had the luck, and I wanted some to rub off today, and buddy, you fulfilled. Awesome. Thanks. Whew. I'm not sure how many of those there are out there, but hey, I'm just happy to have drawn that one. Oh my god. Oh my god. Awesome. Awesome. Haboom. Once again. Right, I'm going to go and do my deed with this video, and yes, 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 that was in the last pack, on the last Quebec. Yes! Alright, awesome.